हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, अ ओपनिंग ऑफ Amazon. It is a very good job that if you are looking for a non-tech job, it is a very good job for the non-tech peoples. So as I have posted one more video related to Amazon, that was about the VCS. So today I am going to post another video, and I will give the link of that video also in the description. You can watch that video too. So we will talk about everything: what is the eligibility, what is the description of the job, what we need to do, and what are the things, how can we apply for this job, where we can apply. We will give everything, so don't worry. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, I have been posting many job updates there also. So join our Telegram channel also, so that you can never miss an update. I am also posting some job updates, some materials, some like tips related to interviews. There also you can join our Telegram channel. The link is in the username is in the description also, and it is being displayed on the screen. And let's start with the video so that we can see all about the Amazon job that we are going to discuss today. So the job role is selling partner support associate. Selling partner support associate. So we will be going to talk about the eligibility criteria first. What is the eligibility criteria? So the eligibility criteria, first point is the bachelor degree in any discipline. If you are a graduate, a bachelor degree you are a graduate from BTech, BCom, anything, you are eligible for this job. BSc, anything, you are eligible for this job. That is the basic first criteria. The second criteria is good internet connection. That is very important, because this job role is work from home. This job role is work from home. Yes, that job role is work from home. And the third thing, that freshers can apply. That if you are experienced, then also you can apply. If you are a fresher, then also you are eligible. And good verbal communication in English. You have to be good in communication skills, that is in English, because English is mandatory for this job. And the last one is that is not a criteria, that is basically an information that I will be discussing in the description also, and I will be showing everything on the site also. That is very proved thing. Okay, so 2 consecutive rotational off. So the off can be on Saturday, Sunday also, Monday, Tuesday also. That depends on your consecutive rotational off. Okay, so talk about the description. What is a job description? It is basically a work from home job. First thing, work from home job. So the next point is that you need to interact with the sellers. That is the basic thing, basic and the most like you need to do this work. It is same as the VCS, that you need to interact with the customers. We are interacting with the customers there in the VCS, virtual customer support. And in this job role, we need to interact with the sellers. We need to track their orders, about the payments and everything. I will be discussing this description in the detail also in the further video when we are going forward with the application process. Okay, so keep watching this video till last, so that you can understand everything. The next one is, it is same as the VCS but with the sellers. Like we are interacting with in VCS, we are interacting with the customers, and in this job, that is selling partner support associate. And the next point is resolve the seller's issue related to everything. Like sellers are having issues, suppose they're having issue with the payment option or return option, anything. So you need to solve that issues. So that is the basic thing that you need to keep in the mind. The next one is the good internet connection is required for the seamless service. That is basic. That is the basic thing if you are going for any Amazon job or any work from home job. So basic internet connection will affect on your job role. So you need to have a good internet connection. So see the next thing, what is the application process? So we are going to see the everything practically, how to apply for this job role, what are the things we need to keep in the mind while applying for this job role. So let's see these things practically. So firstly, we will go to our Google Chrome. This is our Google Chrome. Here I need to apply this link. This is the link I will provide in I have posted this link on my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel, where you will get all the links that I have posted related to job updates. So just go to this link. So as you can see, this is the basic page that will open if you go to this link. That link will be provided. That link is posted on my Telegram channel. You can get that link from that Telegram channel. Okay, so this is a job role, selling partner support associate. And let's firstly see the job description. When you will click on job description, you can also see these things. I will also suggest you to see these things when you are going to apply for this job, so that it will be upper hand for you also to understand the things. So that is a virtual. It is an so if you read about this, who can excel in virtual, that environment, that is work from. It is a work from home job basically. And what you need to do, what is the job description? The selling partner support associate acts as a primary interface between the Amazon and our third party sellers. So you need to be a link. There is a link between Amazon and the third party seller, and you are that link that he is cooperating with the Amazon and third party seller, and you need to interact with both, and you need to solve the issues of seller on the chat, on the application, on the email, on anything. And your first priority must be that you need to complete that thing. Okay, so this is the basic thing. You can also read this whole job description. This is the basic thing that you need to do. You need to interact with the sellers. What is the roles and responsibilities? Here are some roles. Demonstrate excellent, that you need to have a good communication skills, good knowledge of computers. You need to knowledge of browsers, Google Chrome. And after this, you need to what is a basic qualification, that I have already told you, that bachelor degree in any discipline, any bachelor degree you have done, then you are eligible for this job. And with 0 to 10 years of experience. 0 means you are a fresher, and that 10 years means that you have experience. And then the second thing is that excellent written skills. So these are the things that you need to weekly off, that I have already told you, that there will be a rotational 2 days consecutive off, that can be on Monday, Tuesday, that can be on Saturday, Sunday. Mostly it is on Saturday, Sunday. And during the training of you, no unplanned leaves are allowed during your training. So these are the things that you need to know about this job. So you can also read these things. See, candidates who are based in Bangalore should apply. So if you are based in Bangalore or nearby Bangalore, so you can apply for this job. And let's see how to apply for this job. See here, how did you find about the job? So you can here others, and in others you can write here YouTube, as you came to know about this job from the YouTube. So I filled here others, then YouTube. Okay, my full name is Anurag Shrivastava. So I will fill this basic information. This basic information is very common. So you can fill this also. So I will fill all the things, and I will show you what is the further step, or what we can do. It is a very short step. Okay, so I will do these things very quick. So see, I have filled this much of information, and here he is asking for my total experience. Total experience is 0. Where you are currently, working? If you are currently working, I will fill here no. What is the joining? Can join immediately. Here you can write, if you are a fresher, you can write here any, because you have no current employer. Here 0. And are you willing to do overtime? Yes. Fill here yes. For rotational shift, yes. For the via telephone or email, you can also, yes, you can interact with the customers. You have a PAN card. Have you ever employed? No. And are you currently working in this? No. I will apply. I will choose my resume and photo. So here I have uploaded my resume also and photo also. I will click on I will confirm all the things. I will here type that I am not a robot, and it will ask for my CAPTCHA. So I will click here submit. So these are the basic things that I need to do. Then I will come to a page. Here it will ask for a verification code that will be sent to your email ID. So you will verify by putting that registration code that will be sent to your email ID. I have entered that code. Then I have came to this page that is registration successful, and the further updates will be given to your registered email ID. So these are the things, these are the steps by which we can apply for this Amazon now. So in this video we have discussed about everything related to the selling SPS, regarding SPS, that was our job role, and we have discussed about how to apply, what is the job description, what are the things you need to do, what are the eligibility criteria. We have discussed about everything. I have posted the link from which you can apply for this job on my Telegram channel. I have posted it, so you can go to my Telegram channel. I have it is being shown, the username @BeAProgrammer24. It has been shown in the screen also. You can go to my Telegram channel. You can click on that link that is being posted, and you can go and apply for this job. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want to interact with me, or I am also posting some live sessions. I am going live there and having the Q&A also. So I am trying to solve everyone's issue, and if anyone is getting any issue related to anything, and if you are facing issue related to anything, you can comment down. I will reply to you for sure. And as I am replying to everyone as as possible as I can. I am replying to everyone. So meet you in the next video. You can follow me on Instagram so that you can interact with me. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.